In many schools, lesson plans exist on paper, in files, or sometimes only in the teacher's head. But with SAFSIMS, lesson planning becomes structured, trackable, and easy. Let me show you how. First, you want to log into the school's portal on SAFSIMS and navigate to your lesson plan. Here, the admin easily creates the teaching weeks for that particular term. Select the duration of that particular week, the order where the week falls into, and save. After this, navigate to the save template to create a template that works for either a particular class level or for multiple class levels. Select reviewers that will be reviewing the lesson plans for that class level created, and also include the content fields that are expected to be filled by the teachers. Add a table if this is applicable to the school and apply customization. Once this is done, your setup is complete. The teachers can easily navigate to My Lesson Plans to create a lesson plan for the various weeks or the various teaching weeks. Teachers fill in the content fields as specified on the lesson plan template, and they can also easily upload a resource material that will be needed in teaching for that particular class, for that particular subject. To ease communication between the reviewer and the subject teacher, SAFSIMS has a comment option for the reviewer, where the reviewer can choose to edit the lesson plan or drop a comment for the subject teacher that can be responded to. The system automatically sends this notification as an email to the reviewer or to the subject teacher. As an admin, easily monitor and have access to all the lesson plan created for every teaching week for that term. Easily view to download all lesson plan or download individually the lesson plans that are approved or in review. For ease of administrative tasks, access the subject teachers that have submitted a lesson plan and date and the time when it was submitted. Filter by subject or by class level to easily access lesson plans that were created by the teachers. Select the school standard pricing plan to access the lesson plan featured today.